Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool washer and electric dryer matching set. And right now I've got it set up, pretty heavy load in there. It's gonna get going here in just a second, but I always do these videos just to show everyone who's looking that everything works perfect. Get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to shop when I spend my money, so that's how I like to list my items up for sale. So right now it's getting the water going. I'm going to show you that it drains that water out and has a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle at the very end. Kind of as if you were standing here running it yourself. So we'll let it get going and move through this cycle right here, and we will come back. Okay, and now we've moved into the wash cycle. One thing that's really nice about this model versus some of the others is this: you can actually select the water amount and you get full submersion on your clothes with the agitator that gets it nice and clean. So it does an excellent job cleaning the clothes. Some of the newer machines don't quite use enough water, and that is not this style. So in case you're wondering, I do get that question a lot. So there you go. You can see it's doing an excellent job. So we'll let it move through the wash cycle and come back for the draining and the spinning. All right, moving out of the wash cycle. It's draining the water out right now. So you can hear that drain running nice and fast there. Now, I'll also mention that typically you see the lock and you wouldn't be able to lift this up. I just took the little 2 screws out here and put the locking mechanism in place. That way I can show you what's going on. Otherwise, this would be locked. You'd not be able to open it, which is an excellent safety feature. So once this is done draining, it'll move over to the rinse, and then we'll be on to the final spin, which is what I'll come back for. I try to keep these videos short, but that way you get to see every one of these as it moves through here. So, okay, here we go on the final spin cycle. It's got the drain running. Let's get it started spinning nice and fast. There again, wouldn't be able to open this, but for testing purposes, I can show you what it's doing here. You can see it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. That's going to be it for this guy. We'll let it go ahead and finish up. Next step is done, and I will show you the dryer. Okay, here we have the matching electric dryer. I've got it set to time dry, high heat. Of course, you can turn your signal on and off. You've got the lint trap here. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. You can hear it running. It's nice and smooth. Sounds great. Let me grab my heat gun. So this right here, in between those 2 red dots, is going to show you a temperature reading, sitting at about 79 degrees Fahrenheit on the top of the machine. So go ahead and open this up. Get your light working right in there in the heat grate. You can see it's nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of there. And that in turn comes in and heats your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195 when it's running. And then the heat exits there, which is where your lint trap comes down and catches the lint. So that's it. Now you know that this is heating perfectly. So you close that, you just hit go. That's it on this one. So we'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And thanks, and have a great day.